10 top vitamins and supplements to help repair ligaments and tendons. If you've ever been hurt by a torn ligament or a pulled tendon, you understand how heartbreaking it can be. It is difficult to return to your everyday activities fast, especially if you are always on the move or enjoy participating in sports. Mobility is a key part of any lifestyle, and tendons and ligaments are essential for mobility. To keep these components strong and healthy, it's important to understand the vitamins, minerals, and nutrients needed to keep your ligaments and tendons healthy. Did you know that if you feel discomfort in your knees, hips, elbows, shoulders, or wrists, you may have joint damage? The connective tissue in your body, which includes ligaments, cartilage, and tendons, allows your joints to move and bend smoothly. These connective tissues can sometimes be damaged, resulting in stiffness and constant aching. Today, we'll go over some incredible vitamins and supplements that will not only help you maintain your ligaments and tendons, but will also help you recover faster from sports injuries or unexpected accidents that may damage your joints. Ligaments are fibrous bands of connective tissue that assist link and hold bones, joints, and organs in place. Ligaments also allow for movement and flexibility. Consider your knee or elbow's ability to move up and down like a hinge. Tendons are fibrous bands that connect your muscles to your bones and allow us to move our limbs. Help avoid muscular injuries by absorbing some of the impact your muscles feel when you run, jump, or do other activities. Why are vitamins and supplements required for healthy ligaments and tendons? Your diet has an impact on the health of your tendons and ligaments, and getting enough of several key nutrients helps keep these tissues healthy and functional. A well-balanced diet provides enough vitamins and minerals to keep your ligaments and tendons healthy, but eating nutritious food is not always possible in today's fast-paced world. Here are 10 vitamins and minerals that have been related to ligament and tendon health and recovery. Vitamin C is a water-soluble nutrient that aids in the formation of collagen in our bodies. Collagen serves as the structural support for your joints, binding them together and providing them with a sturdy framework. It also aids in the formation and repair of connective tissues such as ligaments and tendons. Vitamin C is also an antioxidant that lowers the effects of aging and oxidative damage by lowering inflammation. When your body lacks vitamin C, your joints weaken and degrade. You can check out the glucosamine chondroitin turmeric and MSM supplement if you want to support your joints during intense exercise or just want to relieve occasional joint pain. It can help you stay active and fit with a healthy lifestyle. This supplement is made to help ease joint pain that can come from getting older, gaining weight, or doing sports that hurt your joints. It helps to keep joints healthy. This wonder product is created in the United States in a GMP-certified facility using ingredients from all over the world. MSM glucosamine chondroitin turmeric is produced without the use of genetically engineered organisms, GMO and shellfish, dairy, gluten, and nuts, pork, and soy. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin that is essential for human health. It is also known as retinol or retinoic acid and is required for proper night vision, bones, and skin. It also plays an important part in collagen regeneration, cell growth and development, and immune system function. This vitamin promotes collagen formation, allowing tendons and ligaments to remain strong. It can be found in meat, particularly liver, dairy products, and whole fat products, eggs, as well as fortified foods such as cereals. The principal dietary sources of vitamin A are low-fat dairy products and margarine. Zinc, because zinc is one of the most numerous trace minerals in the body and is found in every tissue your body requires it the most to mend and restore itself. It primarily aids in the healing of torn ligaments by stimulating the metabolism of proteins needed by your body to reconstruct the wounded area. Seeds from oysters, lentils made with chicken, kidney beans, cereals with added vitamins, breads made with entire grains, nut meat. Zinc is abundant in low-fat yogurt and eggs. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin that is generally known as the sunshine vitamin due to its capacity to produce when exposed to sunlight. It also regulates calcium and phosphorus levels. It's critical to consume adequate vitamin D, especially if you're physically active or have a history of accidents. Vitamin D enhances tendon to bone restoration, is accomplished through the strengthening of skeletal muscles and the increase of bone mineral density. Cereals with added vitamins, butter and milk, mushrooms. Vitamin D levels are high in cheese, salmon, eggs, and soy milk. Copper in humans helps to produce firm skin, bones, and other connective tissues such as cartilage and ligaments. Copper enzymes are important because they form strong linkages known as crosslinks inside collagen and elastin, which supports and strengthens connective tissues. Copper is utilized to treat osteoporosis due to its role in the development of robust tissue. Get your copper from oysters and other shellfish, cereals, beans, nuts, potatoes, and organs, kidneys, liver, and dark leafy greens. Curcumin turmeric is a spice known for its medicinal properties, and it is the primary source of the polyphenol curcumin due to its ability to inhibit COX-2, an enzyme that causes inflammation, while maintaining normal levels of COXone, another enzyme that speeds up the production of certain chemical compounds. Messenger's curcumin is a beneficial alternative to painkillers because it not only relieves inflammation but also rebuilds worn cartilage. Curcumin's potent antioxidant properties repair the oxidative damage caused by inflammation while also helping form new blood vessels, which is useful after tendon injuries. Curcumin can be found in turmeric powder, which is used in curries, or as an external supplement capsule. Protein is the fundamental component of tendons and ligaments. It acts as the foundation for all new collagen and elastin required for ligaments and tendons to remain strong. Protein can aid in the faster and more effective healing of injuries. According to one study, whey protein can enhance the overall area and development of tendons. Protein-rich lean poultry, fish, eggs, beans, lentils, and high-protein dairy products such as Greek yogurt are examples of foods. Collagen is a structural molecule found in invertebrates. It presents differently in each tissue, from tendons to corneas, and is made up of small microscopic strands of molecules that come together to form larger strands that hold our cells in place. Specific triggers can cause cells to produce a specific type of collagen, causing the quality and type of collagen they produce to change. This is visible during bone, tendon, and ligament healing, when cells that previously produced collagen from normal intact tissue synthesize different types of collagen at the repair site of injured tissue. For example, type 3 collagen, which is not a significant component in normal tendons, is thought to be beneficial during the healing process. Greens with leaves, beans, and tomatoes in bone broth, chicken with garlic, berries made from seafood, citrus fruits, red bell peppers, bromelain, egg whites, and cashews are all good to collagen formation in the body. Bromelain is a nutritional supplement that can be used instead of non-steroid anti-inflammatory medicines to treat osteoarthritis. Bromelain is an extract derived from both the stem and fruit of the pineapple plant that contains a number of enzymes that break down protein and has shown possible anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. While more research is being conducted, bromelain is still used to treat acute inflammation and muscle injuries. According to one study, using bromelain at a dose of 7 mg per kilogram once daily with an acute tendon injury accelerates recovery. Glucosamine and chondroitin sulfate. Glucosamine is a chemical compound that occurs naturally in the fluids around your joints. It is used by the body to make other chemicals that aid in the formation of cartilage, tendons, ligaments, and the fluid joints that surround them, giving cushioning to these areas. Chondroitin is a cartilage component that can both hinder and stimulate cartilage regeneration mechanisms. A study suggests that glucosamine may be effective in lowering joint discomfort, and chondroitin is usually paired with glucosamine to treat osteoarthritis. While your body makes glucosamine naturally, you can increase its levels with supplements while pursuing your health and fitness goals. It is critical to replace vitamins and nutrients in order to keep your ligaments and tendons in good condition. Let's continue the discussion with a few more cartilage and ligament videos, shall we? Here are 5 ways to strengthen your knee cartilage and ligaments, or 7 signs of weak cartilage that should never be ignored, so go ahead and click one, or better yet, watch both videos to learn more about cartilage and ligaments. Have you considered adding supplements to your diet? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below.